So in this lesson, we will learn how we can use HDRI light inside Unreal Engine and how we can make our scene look more realistic with the help of HDRI light. So basically HDRI light will help you to push your scene more further. So without further ado, let's begin. Now to access the HDRI light, you must first turn on the plugin of HDRI backdrop. So for that, you have to go to the settings. Simply you will click on the plugins, and in the plugin, on the search menu here, we will type here HDRI and you will get HDRI backdrop. Just click on it, okay, and then restart now. So your Unreal will restart, and after restarting, you can go back to your levels, okay, and then you can also check here in the place actors. By the way, if you don't have the place actors, you can go to the windows on the top and you can choose the place actor option here. And then you can go to the lights, and here you will notice there is HDRI. Let's go for out of the cinema, like cinematic camera right now, and apply HDRI so we can see what's going on. Okay, so now I have this HDRI effect here. And this looks like an outdoor scene. I don't want an outdoor scene. So what I can do here is that, first of all, I will turn off my key lights and other lights so that I can see what the result is. Plus the intensity, the size of my HDRI is too low. So I will make it 5000. Okay. Now it looks like an outdoor scene. I don't want an outdoor scene. So what I can do here is that I can download a studio light setup. Okay, so this website is like highly recommended because I usually download my HDRIs from here. So I can go to the HDRI and I can go to the studio and download any studio light setup that you are looking for. So I have downloaded this light studio like setup studio. So what I can do here is, let's close these for now. So what I can do, I can just go to my HDRI itself. This is the HDRI. Okay, I will go back here and drag and drop it here. Okay, so I will have a little bit studio sort of an effect, but you will notice that this is the background. Okay, and this is the light. So I need the light to be in front. So I will take my HDRI and rotate it so the backdrop will be behind and the light will be in front. So this will make a little bit more sense. Plus what I can do here is that I will just go to my HDRI here, and then I need the camera projection setting here. So instead of like searching a lot here, I will take my camera my HDRI backdrop here, and from on the root I will just type here projection. And here I will get the use camera projection. I will turn this on. So I will have this sort of an like a result here. Okay. So it will give me more better result, and I can rotate this a bit here. So can have, oops. Okay. So I think this should be, yeah. So this is the right result. Now what I can do is that I can go back to my Cine camera, and you will see the HDRI. Okay, let's remove this from the search. The intensity is too high. If I will turn on my fill light, my key light, and my top rim light, you will see that it even becomes more higher. So let's turn these fill, key, and top light and go to my HDRI and reduce the intensity quite lower. I only want to see a subtle effect like this to give a push to your image. Okay, so just a subtle effect I wanted. Okay, maybe if you want a little bit higher, 0.05 intensity. So this will just push your image and it will give you a nice realistic touch to it. Okay, so you can do that. So this is how my scene right now looks like with my HDRI backdrop and the 3-point light system. If I will only use 3-point light system but no HDRI, the effect will look like this. Okay, but if I turn it on, so you can see how it is affecting the like reflections, especially here. Okay, so see the reflections, how I'm getting the reflections here. So I hope this additional information about the HDRI will give you more push in your design, more like realism. You can see again before and after. Okay, so I hope everything is clear. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please do it now and don't forget to hit the bell icon. By the way, I have noticed that many of you are watching my videos without subscribing. So let's change that. Subscribe to my channel and be the part of the interactive community. Now, here's something really important I want to talk about. Please do not download my videos. Just watch them online. When you download them, it messes up my watch time hours. And that's a bummer. I want to keep creating awesome videos, but it's demotivating when I lose out on those stats. Thanks a bunch for your support. You guys rock. Catch you all in the next video.